Okay guys, how's it going? We're here. This is what I call a fill job. Just a little job to fill up the day, you know, whenever we get out early or something. So today we mowed a bunch of yards, like 7, not a bunch, like 7 yards. And then this one of my customers asked me if I could come over here and, you know, clean this up. The neighbor's tree fell over this way. They were able to cut it up, but you know, they don't have the ability to, you know, to put it in the front for the heavy trash. So what we're gonna do is pick up all this mess, move it to the front, stack it up nice and neat, and then we'll weed eat it, mow it, clean it up for them. We're also gonna mow and weed eat the back of the fence. On the back side, it's the alleyway. So we're gonna go ahead and, as you can see, it's pretty bad back there. So we'll weed it down, mow it, so it's nice and clean. Get the fence, mow it real nice and short so they don't have to worry about it. All right, here we go. All right, so we got most of the bigger stuff picked up, all these heavier ones. Just got a little bit more left to do. Nothing crazy. We've been putting them in the front. The city where I'm from used to be able to put them in the alleyway. All the trash, all the heavy trash used to be able to put it in the alleyway until I guess they switched companies. I figured they switched companies maybe, and they moved it to where you have to put it in the front. So you can't put anything in the alleyway anymore, you have to put it in the front. So we've been bringing it to the front, stacking it up in the front. Just been stacking them up in the front, right here in front of the sidewalk. Then the heavy trash will come and pick it up and haul it off. You know, trying to stack it as neatly as possible. Sometimes it's impossible with the way these limbs are. Hey, Johnny's getting it. He's a little tired, but it'll be all right. The young blood over here, he's a little tired too.
Ready to go home. What is it, like 9 o'clock at night already?
It's like 3:30.
Feels like 9.
All right, so set you guys up when we finish. And then, like I said, we're gonna give it a little mow, a little trim. Same thing in the back, give it a little mow and trim. Collect the paycheck, and we are out of here. All right, everything is picked up. There's like one more left, one or two more left, and just this wheelbarrow. I'm gonna start mowing the yard. I'm gonna set you guys up in the front so y'all can check it out. Some mowing action. All right, guys, so we're finished. Took up all the branches, mowed the yard. We didn't really worry about, he didn't say weed eat or nothing, but we went ahead and weed eat, knocked down some of it, and then we sprayed Roundup all along the chain link fence around the house because they got some lattice and all kinds of weeds were growing out through it. We sprayed the neighbors, the other fence with the other neighbor, and then we weed eat back here. This was bad back here. The city's supposed to take care of this, but I guess they've been neglecting it because, like you can see, even the neighbors, it's all bad. Yeah, but we took care of that, mowed the yard, gave the people their yard back. This is a rental house for one of my clients, and he wanted us to come out here. The neighbor's tree had fallen down, and it fell down this way, so it was all in their yard. So now the renters got their yard back. Oh yeah, there it is.
What window? No, we got to put the fence back.
All right, so we got it. I'm gonna show you guys the front where we stacked up all the tree. There it is. Took up pretty much the whole front yard, from their mailbox all the way to the neighbors. Mow the front too. Hold it a little bit, just chopped it down. We had taken the fence down over here just to make it easier for us to come in and out with the wheelbarrow, so we didn't have to walk all the way around the house. But good thing this fence was just kind of put on there. We'll be able to just put it back. There's a little trash right there, just pick it up. All right, there it is, guys. We'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.